Okay, y'all get in here, watch until the end. Okay, so this one's a little different. I know I've been coming on here cutting up sweaters and stuff like that because it's cute and it's fun, all right, and I'm bored, all right, but anyway, not really bored, but just wanted to show y'all creative ways how I wear my sweaters. Now, this is another design by Shonda, super cute. So what I did was just cut some slits on the side, and I'm going to the back, and we're going to cut 4 slits in the back. Okay, they're going to be it's a nice space, like a hand fist of space in between each one, because you can go thinner with your slits, but I just wanted to do some big cuts. So what's different about this videos is I'm going to go in with some old jogger pants I had. Now these pants are super big. I must have bought them by accident. They're like a 2XL, but we about to make it work. So there's this elastic part at the bottom that I'm cutting off because I don't want that, but not for this look. And I'm just going to go up the sides. So the same thing I did to the sweater, I'm doing to the pants. You get it, girl. All right. So now I told y'all when I'm cutting these outfits, putting these outfits together, I have no idea what I'm about to do. So I'm freestyling. So I decided to go at the bottom and put like 3 slits at the bottom, kind of to match the back of the crew neck, the sweater that I just cut. Now, did it make a difference to me? If I wouldn't have cut the slits in the side, it would have probably looked better with the slits, and I could have went up higher with the slits. But because I put the slits on the side, girl, yeah, I just put 3 slits at the bottom on each pants leg. So I'm just showing y'all the outfit. Look at my baby in the back and his little playpen watching TV, honey. Listen, a mama gotta do what mama gotta do. But look at this outfit, y'all. This is super cute. But I was like, these slits need to be higher because what? No, higher, girl, higher. Listen, all right. Yes. Okay, you see how low that is? No, we need it higher. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just showing you the back, how it looks. I love how that came out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my baby because he need a little mommy time. So I'm just going to go play with him a little, and I'm going to move his little playpen because I need a runway, okay? Y'all need to see this outfit come together. All right, so the splits are higher. Yes, Chung Lee leg, okay? All right, I like that. And so I just went ahead on and cuffed it at the waist because these pants are 2XL. Honestly, you should buy the pants big so that you can have that fit. So I just put it on with these shades because they was right there, and I was like, oh, this go cute with it. So this is the look, y'all. So I paired it with these cute little sneakers that I got off of Amazon, girl. Yes, this came out really cute. I really like this look. So as you can see, I'm just cuffing it up in the waist because this 2XL, these are men's size pants, but they're super big. But you can find some old sweats anywhere, girl, anywhere, and just cuff them up, and yes, we're gonna look like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this backpack on with it. All right. Because it was right there. Now you can definitely do a different backpack. I should have did my gold backpack that I love so much, but yeah, girl, this is cute. This is giving sexy tomboy. Okay, I love it. Yes, what do y'all think about it? But anywho, the top is available on my website, and the pants, if y'all want me to sell the pants too, I can, but I'm just not cutting it. These videos are to show y'all how to cut this stuff up and how to make it look like this. Okay, so y'all go check it out, up to size 3XL. If y'all want the pants too, I can sell y'all the basic pants, but you're gonna have to cut them yourself, and you're gonna have to cut this top yourself. All right, bye. Hope you like.